Hello and welcome to a new video. As you can already see, we switched to a new format. Of course, my animated character is wearing a mask, and I'm excited to talk to you about the interesting topic today. Today we discuss test case design techniques. Almost every tester has to create test cases no matter what. You receive some specs, you have to test a new functionality, you gotta create some test cases. There are 4 test case design techniques, and we're gonna detail them in just a few seconds. Equivalence partition, boundary value analysis, decision table, and state transition. Equivalent class partitioning is a black box technique which can be applied to all levels of testing like unit, integration, system. In this technique, you divide a set of test conditions into a partition that can be considered the same. Boundary analysis testing is used when practically it is impossible to test a large pool of test cases individually. In boundary value analysis, you then test the boundaries between the equivalence partitions. Decision table testing is a good way to deal with a combination of inputs which can produce different results. When to use state transition technique? When the tester is trying to test sequence of events that occur in the application under test, this will allow the tester to test the application behavior for a sequence of input values. Are you a tester? Which of these 4 test design techniques do you use more often? Please drop a comment below. Also, if you want a more detailed video about one of these, just drop a comment. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.